Hello, dear students. Welcome back to a news channel. Today we have Center launches new AI-based surveillance system to manage pests, connect scientists with farmers. Now, students, agriculture, when we talk about agriculture, it's like the backbone of India and it's super important. Why? It provides the food we eat every day. Agriculture is a major source of employment in India, and agriculture contributes a lot to India's economy. Moreover, it's deeply connected to Indian culture. So, what are pests? Pests are like tiny creatures. They are like insects, and these insects, they actually hampers the crop production. All right. So if they aren't controlled, they can eat up the plants, destroy the harvest, and cause a lot of damage. This is why pest management is so important, because pest management, first of all, it helps to keep crops healthy by controlling pests and preventing them from destroying the plants. And when farmers manage pests, they can produce enough food to feed the population. So if the crops are damaged by pests, it could lead to food shortages in India. So at the same time, students, effective pest management also means using methods that don't harm the environment. है ना? अब पता चले कि हम पेस्ट मैनेज के चक्कर में हम इतना ज्यादा पेस्टिसाइड्स वगैरह यूज कर रहे हैं कि वो एनवायरनमेंट को हार्म कर रहा है, हमें हार्म कर रहा है, ह्यूमंस को हार्म कर रहा है. That is why effective pest management, see the word is effective. Effective pest management means that we are using methods that don't harm the environment, right? And this could include using natural predators, organic farming practices, or even safe pesticides that target pests without harming other animals or the land. So, one such method that our government has launched is a technology-based method. All right, we are using artificial intelligence, right? Isn't it exciting that that farmers are now able to use AI-based surveillance system to manage pests. So imagine if farmers could get a warning when pests are about to attack their crops, just like how you get a weather alert on your phone. So, well, with this new AI-based surveillance system, this is becoming possible. So what is AI-based surveillance? AI, we all are aware, it's like a super smart computer that can learn and make decisions. So when used in agriculture, AI can watch over the fields through cameras and sensors, just like a guard keeping an eye out for trouble. So this system can detect when pests are starting to attack crops, even before the damage gets too big. How does it help? The AI system can spot pests early, so farmers can take quick decision before the pest can cause serious damage. That is why it is important to connect scientists with farmers. And the AI system can send information directly to scientists who can give advice to farmers on the best ways to control the pest. So this connection helps farmers use the latest scientific knowledge to protect their crops. And AI can suggest the best ways to manage pests, like using natural predators or applying safe pesticides only when it is needed, that too in an optimum quantity. So this saves, first of all, time, money, and at the same time, it helps keep the environment safe. So why is this important? Because this new AI-based surveillance system helps farmers grow healthier crops with less risk from pests. It also means that farmers are not working alone and they have the support of scientists as well as technology to help them succeed. And by using AI, we can ensure that farmers produce enough food for everyone and do it in a way that's safe for the environment. All right, students, that's it for today. Bye bye. Have a happy learning.